Standard 10th Mathematics Exercise 1.3. Third question. Given the function f from x to x square minus 5x plus 6, evaluate 4 subdivisions they have asked you. First subdivision is f of minus 1. Second is f of 2a. Third is f of 2. Fourth is f of x minus 1. Okay, so they have given the condition over there. So first we will just write the condition. F of x is equal to, so given f of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. So here they have given, okay, so that condition you just take it as f of x is equal to your question as it is. Okay, now first is f of minus 1 they have asked. So in the place of x we will have to put minus 1. Okay, so first we will write when x is equal to minus 1. So then what will happen? So f of, in the place of x you will have to put minus 1. So towards your right hand side also, wherever x is there, just put minus 1. Okay, so it is minus 1 square minus 5 into minus 1 plus 6. So now we will go for solving. Minus 1 square will become minus 1 into minus 1, it will become plus 1. So I will just write 1. This minus into minus will become plus. 5 ones are 5. Again this plus 6 is there as it is. So now adding all these three elements or terms, so I will get it as 12. So next is when x is equal to what they have asked you will have to see. So f of 2a they have asked. So when x is equal to what is inside the bracket, just put here. Okay, so it is 2a. So when x is equal to 2a, now in your question, that is whatever it is given f of x, in that place x you will have to replace by 2a. So f of 2a, that is only we needed to find it here. Okay, so that is equal to, towards your right hand side, for x you will have to put 2a. Okay, so you will get 2a the whole square minus 5 into x is there. So we will just write 2a plus this 6 is there. So write that 6 as it is. So that is equal to 2a the whole square is 2 square will become 4. A square will become as it is a square. Then this plus minus is there. Here inside it is plus, so it is minus. 5 2s are 10. 1a is there, so just write a as it is. Then plus 6. So don't solve this, leave as it is. That is the answer for your second part. Now going to your third part, when x is equal to, just see what is inside your bracket. It is 2 is there, so just write when x is equal to 2. So now in your question, wherever x is there, you will have to put 2. Okay, so f of 2 is equal to, now here towards your right hand side, 2 square will get minus 5 into, instead of x you will have to put 2 plus that constant 6 will be there as it is. So that is equal to 2 square will become 4 minus 5 2s are, this will become 10. Again this plus 6 is there as it is. Now adding 4 plus 6 it will become 10. So if you want you can write as 10 minus 10, which is equal to 0. Now going to your fourth condition. When x is equal to, just see what is inside your bracket. You have got x minus 1. So declare your x is equal to x minus 1. Now substituting in your given condition. So f of, in the place of x you will have to write x minus 1. Okay, so f of x minus 1 is equal to, towards your right hand side, wherever x is there just put x minus 1. So you will get x minus 1 the whole square. Again minus 5 is there as it is, into this x minus 1. Again plus constant 6 is there, so write that 6 as it is. Okay, so now this is which form it is, you know in formula, that is a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this formula you can use it over there. Okay, so we have got x minus 1 the whole square. So in the place of a you will have to put x, in the place of b you'll have to put 1 only. Don't put minus because in the formula itself minus is there. Okay, so in the place of a you'll have to put x over there. So this will become x square. This minus is there as it is. 2 from your formula. A and b you'll have to write it. Instead of a you'll have to put x. Instead of b you'll have to put 1. Okay, so I'll just put into in between. Then plus b square. So in the place of b we have got 1. So it will become 1 square. Minus this 5x has to be multiplied and 5 has to be multiplied with 1. So both the elements or terms are there. So you can multiply by 5. Okay. So minus into plus will become minus. 5x when you are multiplying it will become 5x. Minus into minus will become plus. 5 ones are 5. Then last the 6 is there. Now solving, I'll just write it again. X square minus 2 into 1 is 2. So 2x will be there. Plus 1 square will become 1 minus 5x plus 5 plus 6. So the last step of solving is x square minus 2x and minus 5x. When you are adding it will become minus 7x. Here plus 1 plus 5 plus 6 is there. So when adding it will become plus 12. So this is your answer for your third question. Fourth question. A graph representing the function f of x is given in figure. Your figure is here. Yeah, they have given a graph here. It is clear that f of 9 is equal to 2. So just have a general format f of x is equal to y. So whichever is inside the bracket, that is the value of x. Here which is equal to, that is y. Okay, so now 9, f of 9 it is given. So go to your x value 9. See straight to that here. So the straight value of here it is 2. Okay, so they have given, if you want you can write it as 9 comma 2. Then check whether the values are satisfied. So 9 is in the x axis and in the place of y you have got 2. Okay, so f of x is equal to y. This will be the general equation. Okay, next they have asked you first subdivision, find the following values of the function f of 0, f of 7, f of 2, f of 10. So straight away go to the first subdivision. They have asked you f of 0. So f of 0. So in the place of x you have to get 0. So it is here 0. See straight to 0 where y is mapped with the line. Okay, so here 9. So f of 0, the value of y is 9. So straight away you can declare your answer as 9 seeing your graph. Okay, the second subdivision. Now this is f of 7 they have given. So in the place of x it is 7. So you'll have to find your y now. So go to your x7. Straight to that just go here and see what is your y. So if you want you can write it here 7 comma 6. That is your point. Here straight line 7 and here it is straight line 6. So 7 comma 6. So if x is equal to 7, what will be a value of y is 6. So when f of 7, your value will be 6. Going to your C, subdivision C is given. So C is f of 2 they have asked. So f of 2 means in the place of x it is 2. So search for your 2 here. Straight you'll have to go to the line where the line is there. Straight to that in your y axis, that is 6. If you want just write here 2 comma 6. So when x is equal to 2, your y value is 6. So x is 2 they have asked you here. You can declare your y as 6. Next your D, subdivision D, f of 10 they have asked. So f of 10 is equal to, so in the place of x it is 10, you'll have to find your y. So straight away to 10, but nothing is there here, so y will be 0. Okay, so y is 0 because straight away to 10 your point is here only. So it is 10 comma 0 you'll have your point. So when x is equal to 10, your y answer is 0. So f of 10 is equal to 0. Now going to your second subdivision. This is your first subdivision. This is your second subdivision. What value of x is f of x is equal to 1. So now they have given f of x is equal to 1. That is your y is equal to 1. Okay, you will have to find your x. So straight away go to y is equal to 1. Now see your line here. in between to your 9 and 10 it is there. Okay, so if you want you can write your point as 9.5 comma 1. So your answer of x will be 9.5. Okay, so therefore x lies between in between 9 and 10 is there, isn't it? So it lies between 9 and 10. Therefore x is equal to 9.5. So this is your second subdivision answer. Third subdivision is describe the following domain and range. So domain is, this is codomain. Okay, so domain in your x-axis write all the values up to where it is marked. So 0 to 10, 11, 12 is not there. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In your book up to 10 only will be there. Okay, so up to 10 you can write it. Now your codomain is your y-axis values. Let's see, up to 9 only it will be there. Okay, so your line goes up to 9. So it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So domain is, they've asked you domain and range only. So domain is equal to x such that x is from 0 to 10. Okay, so 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10, and your x belongs to real numbers, capital R. Okay, so this is your domain, and your range is up to where you are getting the answer. Up to 9 you will get your answer. So again x such that 0 up to 9. Okay, so 0 to 9 only it is mapping. Up to 9 only in your y-axis mapping is there. So 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 9, and your x belongs to your real numbers. Fourth subdivision, what is the image of 6 under f? Okay, so image of 6 under f is equal to f of 6 they are asking you. Okay, so x is equal to 6 means you have to find your y. Go to your graph now, straight to 6, just see where it is goes on your y-axis. So 5. So if you want write 6 comma 5, so your y-axis value is 5. When x is equal to 6, your y will be 5. Okay, so f of 6 is equal to 5. Therefore image of 6 is equal to 5. So this is the answer for your fourth question.